Are you hungry? Do you want some sloppy joes? How about some Cajun sloppy joes? We're gonna need a couple ingredients. No, this is not for her. For these Cajun chicken sloppy joes, we're gonna need a pound of chicken, ground chicken, a tablespoon of olive oil, a small onion finely chopped, 2 small green bell peppers finely chopped, 2 garlic cloves minced, a can of 8 ounces of tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. It's also going to be salt and pepper to your taste. In our bowl here, we will add our seasonings. Now this isn't Cajun seasoning per se, this is New Orleans Cajun. Just got a little kick to it. We need a tablespoon of the Cajun. Then we need a teaspoon of smoked paprika. A teaspoon of oregano. And a teaspoon of thyme. Now we're going to mix this up and set it aside so that when we need it, it's already all combined. Chop up our onion. Next, we're going to cut up our washed bell pepper. Alright, so what we're going to do is turn this up to medium heat. We're going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Oop, a little bit more than that apparently. Then we're going to get our ground chicken ready. Once our oil is up to temperature, we will add our ground chicken and cook this for 5 to 7 minutes. After 5 minutes of mixing it up and breaking it apart, you'll add your bell pepper and onion and cook this for 4 to 5 minutes, mixing it up as well. After your veggies have softened and mixed it all in like this, you'll add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. This will cook for about 2 minutes just so that it's fragrant enough to add in there. After 2 minutes, this is when we will add our tomato paste and our tomato sauce. Mix this in there. Like so. Tomato sauce in all of it. And then we're going to add our seasonings that we have measured into a bowl so that we don't have to measure them out again. So, ooh, that is fragrant. You will turn the heat down, place a lid on it, and simmer it for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is how mine came out. But is it any good? Only one way to find out. You gotta make a plate. That's got some good texture, a nice crunch with the hamburger bun. Remember, if you want more salt and pepper, to add it at the end. That way, it's to your liking, not to everybody else's. I hope this helped. If you could leave a like and a comment, it would help a lot. Have a great night and wonderful eating.